Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm currently balancing my camera on a cereal box, which is improvisation. So today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different, and that's a bake with me. So before I start this video, washed my hands, tied my hair back, don't worry, I am being hygienic. So I'm going to be baking just some simple sponge cupcakes, and I will link the recipe down below. It's actually for just regular sponge cake, but I don't have a cake tin. I only have these, but it's fine. They taste really good and they're really easy. So I got everything out, and so first of all I need 125 grams of caster sugar and 125 grams of butter. So okay, I'm gonna put the bowl on the thing. You're gonna see my amazing skills as a baker here. Fun story, my year 9 tech teacher, food tech teacher, told me that I was a terrible cook. So we're gonna prove him wrong. So I've got the caster sugar and I'm gonna pour this in, 125 grams. I'm always so scared that I'm gonna go, it's gonna be too much. Because this looks like a lot. But then there's cakes. There's a lot of sugar. There we go. That's 125 grams. So I'm gonna put this away so it doesn't get in my way. I don't want it getting in my way. And then I've got my butter. See, I know some people do it differently, like they measure them out in separate bowls, and to be honest, that's probably smarter, but I just use my quick math skills. And I add them together. Whoa, that is a big chunk of butter. That was a big chunk of butter, but not enough. Not a big enough chunk of butter. I am the most cringeworthy human alive. Okay, nearly there. Nearly there. Very nearly there. Okay. Is about that much more? Nope, still a little bit more. Talking to myself. Okay. That's about it. Okay. So now I want to put this in the fridge. Now you're just looking at nothingness. I need to wipe the butter off my hands. So now I've got my George home hand mixer. I'm not sponsored, and I hate this bit. And I'm probably going to pause the recording because I don't want to film myself making a mess of my mum's kitchen. I don't think she'd appreciate that very much. Shreds. So they're meant to make 8, but they make 6, but like really, really big cupcakes. So only 2 of us. Yeah. It's cake. Cake's cake. Don't have to eat it all at once. Although I probably will, because I really don't want to do my coursework. I'm only baking because I don't want to do my coursework. This is peak procrastination. Yeah, so the flour shortages in the country right now, like, am I right? That's great. So I'm going to cream them together, the butter and the sugar. Basically I'm just going to whisk them, and I'll get back to you in a bit. Right, so it's not looking quite right. We're just going to pretend it's fine. It's fine. We're just gonna move on. So, okay, the problem is I want to be showing you guys what I'm doing, but also I need someone to put the camera where you're not going to be blinded by my kitchen lights. It's like the only place I can do it. So hopefully this will be better once I add the eggs. So I'm going to crack 2 medium-sized eggs into my messy mixture that I probably should have whisked a bit more. Whatever, it's fine. I'm so bad at cracking eggs. I'm going to have to go wash my hands in a second because I don't know how to crack eggs without getting egg all over my hands. I am starting to think that my year 10, my year 9 cooking teacher was correct. I didn't do cooking in year 10 because I didn't like it. I dropped it as soon as I could. Right, okay, that's the eggs are in. So I'm gonna go put the eggshells in the bin, and I'm gonna go wash my hands because that's something I need to do. Hands are washed, 20 seconds, sang happy birthday twice. So I've got my mixture with the 2 eggs in it, and now I've got large metal spoon, and I'm just gonna fold them in. So basically I'm just going to mix it. I really think I messed this up. That's fine. That's perfectly fine. Honestly, my first baking, I messed up completely, and it tasted better than the time where I didn't mess it up. So hopefully this is fine. This is fine. You know, I actually can't remember what the recipe says to do after I sift the flour in, which is the next step. But we're just gonna assume it's stir it in. Also, I'm completely out of chocolate chips. My mum has chocolate in the fridge. Should I just use her chocolate? Should I rip up her chocolate and put it in the cake? No, she'll kill me. Oh, should I try and make it chocolate cake? I have hot chocolate. No, actually I tried to do that once before, it did not work. So here's my disgusting mess, which does not look very appetizing. It's all stuck to the spoon. I'm pretty sure it's not meant to do that. Yeah, my cooking teacher was right. My cooking teacher was 100% right. I can't do this. Okay. They might taste nice. It's just, I made some really good ones last week. I should have filmed myself making those. It's because I'm using a different sugar. I was using Asda's Basic, but Asda don't have Asda's Basics. The whole country is cooking and baking, so I'm using like a fancy one. It's bad, I don't like it. I want my Asda's Basics back. So I'm going to get a different bowl. And I'm going to measure out 125 grams of self-raising flour. My favourite type of flour. It got all over my cupboard when I put it down. I really should be doing my coursework. I really should be doing my coursework. This is great. Maybe I'm going to title... Oh, geez, that's a bit too much. Maybe I'm going to title this video Bake With Me So I Don't Have to Do My Coursework. Maybe I should just give my teacher some cake and she won't make me do my coursework. I don't want to do it. It's really boring. Like, I'm not even doing the real coursework. Anyway, enough about my coursework. It's a baking video, not a coursework video. Imagine me making a coursework video. That'd be really boring. Okay. Oh, jeez. No, don't put it in. Don't put it in the bowl, because then you end up with that. Just put it over the top. Chuck all this in. I really wish you could see exactly what I was doing. And then just sort of do that. Oh geez, oh no, I have to put it down. I'm spilling this everywhere. Oh, I don't want to clean this up. I have to clean this up. And then I think that is just fold the flour in as well. Maybe I did the egg thing wrong. There's something was fold it in. So I'm just going to fold it in. So I'm just going to basically stir it. Yeah, okay. It's starting to look a bit more like cake mixture now, which is definitely a positive. I can't show you. But it's looking better. We might actually get some decent cakes out of this. Although I think my flour to mixture ratio is a bit imbalanced. I don't know. See, there's me going on and on about how I'm like really good at maths. really not terrible at maths. And I just did not measure stuff out correctly. It's very, very gloopy. It's very sticky. Very, very... I don't know. It'll be fine. It smells like cake. It smells like cake mix. So that's a really good sign. Yeah, okay, I think this looks like cake mix. So that means it's probably time to actually keep that out. I'm going to put this in the sink. It's time to divide around my little cake tin. So I take a spoonful and I just sort of... This is why I kept the other spoon out. So I'm using the other spoon to scrape the mix into the tray. This must be really boring to watch. I'm really sorry. If I had a camera, things would be great. Unfortunately, I don't. I'm using my phone. Cameras are just so expensive. So yeah, how is everyone? Let me know in the comments. Hope you're all having a really fun day. And you're not procrastinating like I am. What if people are watching this as like an actual tutorial? I don't know how to cook. Actually, I'm pretty good at cooking. I'm not very good at baking. I'm good at cooking risotto. And I could do a video on how I cook risotto. But this isn't a cooking channel. It's not a baking channel. So I could even do a video of me trying to paint my non-existent nails. That could be fun. There's just not really much on StudyTube. Oh geez. Okay, I'm gonna cut out. I'll be back. So sorry about that, guys. My camera ran out of storage. So this is what I've got so far. There is sugar on my hand. And that's what's left in the bowl. So I'm just going to continue transferring this and I'm going to sort of smoothen it out and then I'm going to put it in the oven. So we are back to my what is this point of view. So I just got to finish dividing this into the cake tins. Nearly done. I don't think you really need to smooth it out. I just sort of do because that's just how we roll. I feel like I haven't divided these very evenly. There's still a little bit in here. I just chuck some more in this one. So yeah, so I think they're ready to go in the oven. So I'm going to put them in and I'll be back with you in about 20 minutes. And here we have some rising cakes in their natural habitat. I am going to spin them around about 10 minutes in. And I just poked it. I'm going to burn my hand. I'm going to spin them around because the back of my oven cooks quicker. Also, check out my laziness. I didn't move the tray. So yeah, they're about halfway done. They don't look it, so maybe I'm going to put them in for a bit longer. So there we have my awesome baking skills, and I'm going to give one a taste in a bit. Let's see how they are. Okay, that was a bad setup. So I've got a bit of cake. Tastes good. So if you enjoyed this, leave a like, subscribe and comment what you'd like to see next. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.